Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
What to make a task easy and finish it with a good ending. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khair.
Allah, who is the most affectionate and the most merciful. It is me, Aris Sheikh, the SST mentor of the Educator Farooq Ulas campus. Today I am taking your SST lecture. Today I am giving you the SST lecture of class 5. Let's start our lecture. Okay students, before starting the lecture, recite some holy verses. So raise your hand for dua. Rabbi yassir wala tuassir ta'ammim bil khair. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. Okay students, before starting the lecture, I am just wanting to play you a game. Class, I am giving you the activity. Class, tell me the famous places of Karachi. What? Tell me any 5 famous places of Karachi. Who will tell me first? Karachi. Okay student. First tell me the famous place of Karachi. Any place?
Buns Road.
Buns Road. Buns Road is the most famous food street of Karachi. The next one is
Board Basin.
Board Basin. It is also the famous place of Karachi. Board Basin. Okay. The next famous place of any Karachi?
Do Darya.
Do Darya. Do Darya. I need 2 more famous places of Karachi. Next.
Sea View.
Sea View. Good. Sea View is the heart of Karachi. Student, you know very well. Next, last one is any famous place of Karachi?
PF Museum.
PF Museum. PF Museum is the most famous museum of Karachi. PF Museum. Okay student, throughout this activity, have you done the topic? So what is the topic is?
Karachi.
Karachi. Yes. Our today's topic is Karachi. Okay students, let's start our lecture. Karachi. Class, have you know about Karachi? Class, you are born in Karachi and you live in Karachi. But class, have you know the characteristic of Karachi? Today I am telling you the basic features and basic characteristic of Karachi. The first and foremost important thing, class, Karachi is the largest city of Pakistan. Do you know that largest city of Pakistan? Class, Karachi is also called the main seaport of Pakistan. Class, do you know that the main and the biggest seaport of Karachi, the Port Qasim, is lie in Karachi. The next thing is capital city of Sindh province. Class, Karachi is the capital city of a Sindh province because in Karachi you have found all the facilities you want. Okay. The next thing is main center of banking. Class, all the bank and all the banking sectors lies in Karachi. The next thing is was the capital city of until 1960. Class, before 1960, the first capital city of Pakistan is Karachi. After 96, Islamabad became the capital city of Pakistan. It is called the City of Lights. Class, my city is called the City of Light because of its liveliness. Because you know very well that we are wake up after the 10 o'clock. That's why it's called the City of Lights. Because class, in nights, you know the nights of Karachi. Even though that you know about the weekends of Karachi, that how the people are jolly and enjoying the weekend nights of the Karachi. The next and the foremost important thing is that people who live in the city known as Karachitis. Means to say that class, we all are Karachis. Yes. Location of Karachi. Class, Karachi is in the south of Pakistan on the coast of Arabian Sea. Means to say that class, Karachi is lie in the south side of the Arabian Sea. The coast of Karachi. The Karachi coast has low rocky cliffs and a sandy beaches. Class, you know very well that in Karachi there are a number of beaches like Manoda Beach, Sea View, and Himari. There are a number of beaches as well as class. Karachi have also the cliff like Hawks Bay, like Sand Beach. Okay class, the next and foremost important topic of climate of your city. Can anybody tell me that what is the climate of your city? Class, the climate of our city is unpredictable. Sometimes it's too much hot, sometimes it's low, sometimes it's light, and sometimes it's too much cloudy, sunny, rainy, and sometimes it's too much cold in December. Okay class, the Karachi has a fairly mild climate. What is the season of winter? In my city, the season of winter is November to February. Class, the winter is starting from November and end between the mid of the February. And summer is start from April to August. But class, the most and important factor lie of Karachi of monsoon. Monsoon is lies in June and July. Monsoon is the most favorite weather of me and you as well. The class, the rain of Karachi is so much exciting and so much it create a craziness, because class, you know very well the last year rainfall, you know very well that what happened in my city. So sometimes it happened that rain become blessings of Allah, and sometimes it happened that rain is also the harmful effects. So class, today's lecture has been finished, and I hope that you like your today's lecture. Now come to the homework. In question number 1, write 5 facts of Karachi. Okay? In this question, you just have to write the 5 facts of Karachi. Stop. Next question is, briefly define the location of Karachi. Class must mention the location. What is the exact location of Karachi, as I told you in my lecture. The next question is, define the coast of Karachi. In this question, mention the coast of Karachi. Okay? The last question is self question. Write a note on climate of Karachi. Class, you can write by your own self that how you found the climate of Karachi. Thank you so much class. I hope you enjoy the lecture. Please do your work on time. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.